Alright guys, today we're gonna see and unbox the AMS Lite from Bambu Lab straight to our post. We received it. We have the screws from the AMS stand. Everything is marked on this package, so you don't lose anything. You have the instructions here. You can follow them. They are quite simple and easy. Let's see what we have here. This is the filament holders, and they have different colors. We're gonna go to that later on. So you have a green and a orange or yellow, whatever color you see. I'm happy with it. I don't want to have 100 million shadows, so we're gonna turn on the light. Yeah, that's better. So you have two heads here, and you have 4 pre-assembled, of course they did their best, pre-assembled PTFE tubes, and there is a reason that some of them are shorter and some of them are longer. So inside the box we have the system basically, but we're gonna go straight to the stand. You can see the stand. Let's open the bag and show you what is the stand. Very simple to assemble, 4 screws, the ones we found in the beginning. So this is the stand. There's no vibrations except you print an adapter to put it on top of the A1. So this is the stand. This is the holes that you put on the side, and here we have the machine itself. For some reason, 2 of the holders, they are already pre-installed, and we have some zip ties to support it for vibrations. I don't know, for the trip, it has to be something like that. They supplied 1 Allen key. We have the Allen key, and I don't see anything else. They say to keep this box for future, not reference, if you need to send it back because it's broken or if it doesn't function as it should, keep the box. All right. So let's cut the zip ties on this. I forgot. This is the plug that goes on the back of your A1 or A1 Mini. The A1 and the A1 Mini don't support dual AMS. In other words, you can print only 4 colors, except you want to do something and connect them with these adapters they made, that you can join 100 colors together. So we're gonna cut the zip ties. We're gonna cut the top ones too. So let's install the 2 tubes here. I say all the time tubes. The holders. As you see, this is green, so you insert it on the green. It has a interlock inside. I don't know if you can see, guys. Sorry if you can see. It has a interlock like this on top. Let me show you. It has an interlock, so you have to align it. Try to align it at least. So you go there, and you, before you push down, you try to, there, you saw it sat okay. So let's see how it goes, because it doesn't mention that you force it or you push it. So let's see. First try, I'm gonna try to put it like this and see if it's gonna lock. There it is. So don't force it a lot, and as you see here we have a hexagon. It's a different adapter inside. So this one you can't go very wrong. It should be okay whichever way you put it. So yellow or orange, and you just put it there. I believe it's gonna click if it is on the slot. Very easy, say. So we have this ready, but we can install the stand. You remember this? Okay, let's take this Allen. Let me see if it is the same Allen as the one with the printer supplied. And we need those 5 screws. I don't know why it's 5. Let me see on the stand. I see 4. It might be 1 spare for something. We will find out. So let's see if it is the same number. Look at the number, guys. Okay, you see the numbers? Don't put the base upside down. So basically they say this goes to the 1, 2, 3, 4, so you have to see them straight. So I'm doing it like this, so you don't put it upside down. I don't think it matters, but it might be a good reason for them to put it like that. And there, basically the plastic looks like the normal material that they made the printer, but it sounds very hollow. You're gonna say to me what it has inside. We don't know, and I don't want to open it. I hope I don't need to, and if we open it, you're gonna be the first people they're gonna know. Of course, we have some news about the A1. We're gonna talk about it in a future video. There is a small but amazing trick that you can do on your A1 if you started having bad adhesion on your prints. And I'm talking about you put the print, you level the bed, and it still doesn't stick. If you want to know more, please subscribe on the channel, and you will find out soon what is the trick. It's a very nice solution, and disclaimer, I had the same problem on the brand new with 140 hours A1 that you saw on the last video. So I'm gonna show you the trick if you are interested, but we have all 4 screws in place. So the beauty is ready. The main concept now is you put this wire. Let me focus, let me try. Yes, you put this wire on the back of the A1. But I don't want to stress this video anymore, so I believe we're gonna go to the next video and we will show you how you set up the AMS and how you do your first print. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video.